gonna try it out and we're gonna see what happens. So yeah. And by the way, guys, I have an announcement. I haven't been saying this for a while, but anyways, guys, we're gonna have another meet and greet, and I am so excited because
oh my god!
I know, right? Anyways, guys, so it's gonna be at Castles and Coasters, July 28th at around 3 p.m. There will be more information about it in the description down below, and please come because I really want to meet you guys. And yeah, and also today's like challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your name. We haven't done that one ever, so let's try and do that. Let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay, guys, this first one is from Karina Garcia. So she said to get some toothpaste, and it has to have baking soda in it. So I think she said that like Crest is the best, I think, but I think it's just any in general with baking soda. So it'll usually say on the thing with baking soda. So yeah. Okay, so you're gonna get some water in a bottle or a cup. I think the bottle is easier, but she used a bottle. Yeah. Okay. Then you're gonna cover the bottle, shake it all up. This is basically kind of gonna be your activator, I think. So, you know, just shake that all up. Whoa. She said it was gonna get foamy, but not, hers didn't get this foamy. I don't know what happened. Okay, let's keep going. Anyways, next thing you do is get some peel off face mask. You can use a facial mask, guys. It smells, and it is great for slime making. I got this one at Walgreens, guys. I can't really never find it at Walmart, so I don't think it's really at Walmart, so I don't recommend looking there. But also sometimes it's at Target in like little packets, but the best place I think is Walgreens. So just put some of that, good. It has to have PVA in it, so make sure you look at the ingredients. And it's peel off. Look at how thick that is, like, oh my god. And it smells so good, yes. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and get your activator. And it's supposed to make like a fluffy slime. Well, it's not working for me so far. I'm gonna look at the video again, guys. So I realized that this is like not nearly enough. I thought it was gonna become more with like, you know, the activator, but I'm gonna put more now. So she put a lot of the activator inside. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the contact lens solution. By the way, I looked at the video again. She said to put some contact lens solution. Woo, it's working, guys, wow. Oh my god. Wow, this one is really cool. I don't think it really made like the fluffy slime that she had because they didn't put so much of the foam stuff. But like, this is really cool. Well, guys, this is so cool. Is it just me, or is just like facial mask the best thing ever? Like, I don't know. I feel like if they sold like gallons of facial mask, it'd be like, I would buy that. Like, seriously, they smell so good, and it's actually super thick, and I really like it. And it's really clear too. I actually made a giant one. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so this does have a different texture, guys. Kind of like a jiggly more than fluffy, but like I said, it didn't add so much foam. But yeah, I like it. It's interesting. It's kind of like a store-bought slime. It reminds me of a store-bought slime. Like it's like stretchy, but it kind of puts some resistance. Okay, well, this one I'm gonna give it 10 out of a 10, and let's get on to the next one. So guys, this next one is with mounting putty, and Paul found this one, so shout out to him. So he's gonna walk me through this, right, Paul?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, so you're gonna get some mounting putty. It used to look like this. So I got this at Office Max. Probably have it at Staples. I didn't find it at Walmart though, so I don't really think they'll have it there, but you can check. So what do? Get some of
that, get some of this, and then get some of that, and then get some of that.
That's a lot of stuff.
And you just mix it in there and mix slime.
Wow, this putty is weird. So how am I supposed to squish that into there?
I have no idea. Good luck.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna put the lotion first. Just got some Suave. Is that good?
It doesn't say measurements.
Well, did you eyeball it? Can you like just think for a second?
Why don't you think for a second?
I didn't see the video.
Oh, they just had ingredients. They didn't show how to make it.
Why am I actually listening to you?
It's gonna work.
Okay, well this is gonna take a very long time because it's not really absorbing the lotion.
It will.
Okay, I like my face mask on more.
What if you don't have face mask? What if all you have is removable mounting putty?
Okay, I think it's softening up.
Don't forget the hand soap.
You're making a mess.
Well, maybe that's what you need. Jeez, Ameerah, you have a mess everywhere.
I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't like it. 1 out of a 10.
Fine, I'll do it. Ta-da! It's slime! Okay, you can do it some more, Ameerah, because I'm not very good.
Guys, I am actually very surprised. This is really cool. Like, it doesn't have the original slime texture, like homemade slime. It doesn't really poke or anything like that, you know? Like that.
Pokes.
It pokes a little bit. And the stretchiness though is really cool, and it kind of like feels like slime a little bit. It just doesn't really act like it, I guess, but I like it. It's very weird because it went from this right here, guys, to this. That's really cool, guys. I wonder if I can dye it. Okay, I'm gonna make it pink. I got it on my finger.
And you were trying not to.
Okay, well, I'm gonna have to give this one a
10 out of 10.
I'm gonna have to give this one a 7 out of 10 because I like it a lot, but it doesn't really have the textures of slimes. But I guess for no borax, I'm gonna up it to 8 out of 10. So yeah. Okay, guys, let's get on to the next one.
10 out of 10, guys. Hashtag that.
Okay, so next one is gonna be with toothpaste again. I like toothpaste. Toothpaste is very useful.
It's good slime. Give it a 10, Ameerah.
No,
Change it.
I don't like it. It leaves powder on your fingers.
No, look, it's all pink too.
It does look pretty nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so I got some cheap. This is the cheapest toothpaste that you can get, right, Paul?
Yes.
So I wanted to try the cheapest toothpaste just to see, you know, in case you want to make some slime and you're on a budget and now you know the cheapest toothpaste works. Why don't they make orange toothpaste? Looks cool. So now you're gonna go ahead and put that in the microwave for like 30 seconds and let's go. Guys, so I put this in the microwave for 30 seconds and like 2 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it for another like minute maybe. And yeah, okay, I'll come back. So I ended up putting this for about 2 more minutes in 30-second intervals. And also I left my fork in there because I thought it'd be easier so I wouldn't have to take it out, and that was not a good idea. Okay, so anyways, here it is, guys. It definitely got a lot thicker, so yeah, if you guys do this one, just give it a little time and like keep doing it and it'll get thicker. So yeah. But I think right now it kind of just needs to cool off, but it seems like it's getting pretty good. So yeah, I am excited. I guess I'm just gonna leave this cool down for like 5 minutes and we'll see what happens. So guys, while that cools down, which is actually cooling down pretty quickly, we're gonna go ahead and try another one. This one is from #me. Okay, so apparently you're supposed to get some facial masks. She had a pomegranate one, but I have a cucumber one. I don't think that really matters. You know, I don't think it really matters. But yeah. Okay, so we're gonna squish that in there. I'm not gonna put that much because I'm not so sure about this one. Plus, I don't really think you can make too much with this one. Now, guys, this is the weird part. You're gonna wanna get some Blistex lip balm, and hers was actually Ultra Protection or something, but mine is medicated. I hope it works still. I don't see why it wouldn't.
I see why it wouldn't.
But yeah, this is really, really weird. I read the comments, said it works, and I'm just really confused. One second, I'm gonna get it with a knife. So guys, I melted the chapstick, and it's already starting to harden, but you're just supposed to melt it a little bit, I think. So yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and just start melting that all up. That is not working whatsoever. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more of this, so I'll be back, guys. So I just put the whole thing inside the microwave, guys, and I just kind of softened it up a little bit. So let's just go ahead and just kind of squish that in there and let's see what happens. Okay, well, nothing is happening. Wait, yeah, nothing's happening. Let me try and put more. She didn't put that much, so I'm confused. Yeah, this isn't working, guys. Maybe though, maybe you're supposed to put contact lens solution in it. She forgot to say it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, it's not working. Just put a little bit of toothpaste in there and we'll activate that. Ta-da! Oh my god, guys, look, it's activating. So this one did not work, guys. I just put toothpaste, that's why it's working. If you guys didn't see or didn't, I don't know. But yeah, this one didn't work. But it does have a really, really cool texture. Like, really cool, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna have to give this one a 0 out of 10. So we're gonna go back to the toothpaste one, guys. It's very hard now. Okay, there it is. It's not nearly as good as Karina's. Like, hers was almost like butter slime. So I don't know, maybe this needs to cool down more. Maybe I need to heat it up more. But this is not working for me. Okay, well, I'm just gonna put this back into the bowl. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more, and I'm gonna come back to it at the end because we have one more round. We're gonna do the next one, and this one is with Bottle Magic, and Paul actually found this one, so congrats to Paul, or shout out to Paul, whatever it is. So Paul, how do you drink this one? You get Bottle Magic first. Wait, can we just have a little bit of ASMR for this? I don't know, I just find it so freaking satisfying. Okay, so what do you do with it?
Basically the same thing as this one.
Oh my god. Alright,
so
well,
you put some of that.
Conditioner and lotion?
And some of that. And you forget the hand soap, I think.
Okay, alright. That doesn't sound too bad. Sounds a lot better than your other one.
Well,
so,
it's still the best, I think.
No.
10 out of 10.
Some conditioner. And let's get started.
Hey, look, it's butter slime.
Yeah. You could also just do this with like water. Oh, right, look at that. I really like this one. This one is like really close to a butter slime. So if you're looking for a butter slime texture, this is very close, guys. Like, it is so freaking nice. Okay, I really like this one. I think it's really nice. What do you guys think? Definitely 10 out of 10.
This one's the best.
No. Okay, let's go back to the toothpaste one, guys. With our shriveled up spoon or fork, I think it was. I think it used to be a fork. That's a lot less sticky, I think. Definitely not as like together as cream. This one just keeps melting in my hand. Oh my god, no. All right, well maybe it's just a toothpaste, but I don't really like this one. I'm gonna have to give it a 0 out of 10. Okay, guys, well that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys comment down below if you guys are coming to meet and greet or not, because I really want to see you guys. And I love you guys so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.